All right, back at it again. And so another beautiful day, I tell you, for June, up here in the Panhandle, for the wind to be blowing like this, I can't believe it. So nice and cool for this time of the year, right in time for what we got to do. So we're just picking up where we were last night when we dropped off. We're gonna work on these two guys here. I think it's gonna be a lot easier back when we get on this side because there's not much of digging. So I'll pick you up once I get the next one put down, and again and again. So I probably won't do it this time. I'll put one down. Maybe once we get over halfway, somewhere around there. All right, well, anyways, here we go. Let's grind. And so, which is okay. Still a lot of dirt that needs to go out here. I'm gave out. So one man, one shovel. Could I do this? I probably could, but my shoulder, I'm tired. So I'm probably gonna get somebody, maybe come in with a little bobcat, take the top of this off, to be honest with you, a little bit more, then get the dirt put down. Once I get to that part, I'll bring y'all back in. Could you do it? Could I come here with the shovel and hit this again? I can. I may change my mind. I might come out here and get crazy as all lunatic and come out here and try to do this. If I do that, it's gonna take a whole lot more time. The family, I don't think is gonna put up with that. They want a pool, they want it now, they want to be in it now. It's hot, woo! That's how it is in the South, right? So, but anyways, I thought I'd just show y'all the finished product. So, probably what I'm gonna do next is go in here and finish leveling each pad. There's a couple of pads I didn't finish, getting the pad itself level. So I'll go back, I'll hit that. But outside of that, everything's pretty much done on my end, except getting that grade out right through there. That high part is still high, which we had talked about that, and it was still high. So I'm either going to do it by shovel, which is going to take a lot more longer. I'm going to hire somebody in on that. We'll have to cross that bridge when we get to it. But anyways, I'll bring you back in once we get the sand. Once we get that done, where I do it, or if I bring somebody in, do it. Once I get the sand in, then I'll bring you back in. We get ready to snap this pool together. That should be probably about one whole day. And we kind of go from there. I appreciate y'all tuning in and hang in there with us. We're gonna keep grinding. Later. All right, so back to the grind. As you can see, the reason why I'm smiling so much, we got leveled off and got the sand delivered. Got the sand, so what we're gonna do today, pack this down, level it up some, put the border around, so tomorrow we can get going on framing the pool up and maybe even get some water going into it. Cross our fingers, we've got a big heat wave coming next week, so that'd be right on time. So just hang in there with us. I'm gonna bring y'all back in once I get this done and get the base plates put down. Till then, hang in there. All right, welcome back. So I got the first part done pretty much. And so what I'm done is I'm starting to put the base plates out. And so far, as you can see, everything's coming up right on the plate. And that's exactly what it should be doing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just pop. As you can see, I went ahead and laid everything out. So all I gotta do is just move around, okay? And then once that's done, I'm gonna go back and make sure that this section here, right here in between, make sure that this is supported. See how it's not here, and it is here. I'm gonna go around and make sure all that's supported real good, pack that down real tight, and then we'll be, I know this is gonna sound real crazy, we're gonna be ready to start putting the pool up. So everybody just hang in there. Oh, we're getting close. I can taste it. I can feel that cold water. I can feel being in that pool. Woo! Man, I'm excited about it. I know the kids are too. Hang in there. I'll bring you right back. All right, let me show you a little something when you're snapping one of these together. This is the resin pool made by Aqua Leader. And so the bottom supports and the base plates, they just snap in. So it just slides in, okay? There's no screw, no nothing, okay? You just slide it in till it stops, right there, okay? And then once you get it in, there's a little stop piece. You can probably see it right there where my finger's pointing. All right, so when you're putting them up, come on over here. So when you're snapping these things together, what I have found to be the easiest after putting them together about 3 times now is put the far end in first, okay? Once you do that, you won't be pulling away. If it's stuck in there and you try to put this on, sometimes it'll get loose on the one you just did. So I figured out by popping this in first, then coming down here holding this, boom, just like that. And you just repeat that, all right? So let's get back at it. All right, just like that. It didn't take much at all. Bammo. Got it all done here. Everything looks good. I think we can move on from here. So got a cloud. I don't know if y'all can see it back over there. But it's thundering. Got a cloud coming in. Typical of this time of the year. But anyways, so we're gonna stop here. We're gonna pick up on this in the morning. We already got the parts moved down here for the legs, for wall support. And then we're just gonna snap this bad boy together, smooth this sand out. We'll have a pool up.